Happy Saturday, y'all. Today is Saturday, January the 20th. So I ran out to take my brother. Hadn't posted. Got some family things going on. I'll talk to y'all about it a little later. But I just wanted to come on and show y'all what I bought. I went out to the stores, and of course, y'all know I shop sales. So let me just show you what I got. Not a whole lot. Sam's have these plates, and these are the plates I use. I got a package of them that's full just about, but they're $3 off. These things are $19, but they're on sale for $16. So I went ahead and got another one. I got to go to Sam's tomorrow. I just may get another one. You can get up to 3. And that means I saved $9. So I'd almost be one just about free. I went to Marshall's with my brother. I got the black tea with the peach. I opened it because I was going to drink one in my car. But I haven't yet. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the thing is. It's only 8 grams of carbs. It does have added sugar, but it has potassium. And it doesn't have any fat or anything. It has a little sodium, few carbs. But I said I wanted to try it. It's a sparkling black tea with peach. A Cost Plus store I went to. I took my brother. I got the Zatarain's Crispy Cajun. I've never had the Crispy Cajun. Oh, it's spicy. So I'm going to try it. I'm probably sure it just has a little bit more cayenne pepper. But this is my first time seeing it, so I wanted to try it. I also got from that store something I can't find, and this is this Morris Best Syrup. If you're looking for a good syrup that's thick, full of iron, this is a good one. Back in the 2020 during the pandemic, they had stopped selling it, so I actually reached out to the company. Yeah, y'all see the carbs though. A serving is a 4th cup. I never use that much of it though. But the total carbs is 49 grams. But it's 2% iron. Like I said, I never use that much. I don't use it that often. I got the Velveeta. This is right now, Velveeta. These two things, $9.98 at Sam's. I got these because I'm going to need them. But I went ahead and got them because that's really, really cheap. These have been as much as almost $14. Yeah, I got that. So at that Cost Plus store, I got me some smoked turkey wings. That's what I'm going to start cooking my meat with. Not cutting pork out entirely, but cutting back. I cooked some of these pork chops Thursday night, y'all. $5.36, but you do have to add 10%. Look, they're $1.58 a pound. When I tell y'all they're nice and thick and juicy pork chops, whew. So this store also had these sodas, $3 each. They're regularly $5, but they had $2 off. So basically, you paid 50 cents each for them. So I went ahead and got a Sprite Zero and 2 Coke Zeros. We drink zero sugar, but I've been reading so many articles where they say that the zero sugar drinks aren't any good either. So it's just best to eliminate them. But every once in a while, like especially if I'm doing like a burger or something fried, I want me some carbonated drinks. But I also have carbonated water. So I haven't been drinking sodas hardly at all. I got these sesame seed buns from Sara Lee from Sam's. I don't know why they don't have the bunny. I love the bunny or the Mrs. Bears. They don't have them at Sam's. I got 12 at Sam's where I paid for 8 in the regular stores. So also when I went to Marshall's with my brother, I got me some Adidas socks. Y'all, these Adidas socks, or I think I saw them somewhere they were $20. Well, yeah, 20 right there. But I got these, the 6 pair, because I got an Adidas track set. So does my son. So when I get ready to wear it, I want to wear the socks. Yeah. I got some more of the gumbo mix because I was out. This makes a really good gumbo that carries. They also have a good roux. They have a dry roux and a wet one, but the dry one is really, really good. Also, I have the Downy. I love, y'all, this has become my favorite Downy scent. It smells so good. I was reading where they say that bananas with a tint of green are good for you. So I'm going to start eating these for my mid-morning snack. Or possibly, I may start having fruit sometime for lunch. And then I got me some more sweet potatoes. And that's all I have I wanted to share. I'm getting ready to run out. I got some things to take care of. But I just wanted to stop in and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. I just want to say this, y'all. God is love. And every chance you have to tell somebody you love them, do it. Because you never know. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye. Happy Saturday, y'all. Happy Saturday. This is Saturday the 21st. So I went out into a store at the church and I went to Sam's and I got my lemonades. I got we get the, is that raspberry or strawberry? Strawberry lemonade. And the regular lemonade. Like I said, y'all, let these get really, really cold. They'll use it. I'm going to make a really quick gumbo here. I got the gumbo. I'm sorry. I got the chickens from Sam's. We have a little snack thing at work. And so I got some of, we put chips in there. So I got these. Got peanuts. And my son needs some Irish Spring soap. And we got water. We already put that up. I got celery. Where's my celery and bell pepper somewhere? But anyway, that's for me to use. I'm making a quick gumbo. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye. I had a few other items, y'all. I got some vanilla instant pudding, and I got some condensed milk because I had bought some stuff to do banana pudding. I hadn't ever done it, so I'll probably do it one day this week. I got some. They didn't have the Zatarain's rice, y'all, so I had to get this. I'm gonna do it in the rice cooker, and then I got some chocolate chip. You know, the not cut and bake, but you pull apart and bake. I got these down home sausage to add to the manders for the gumbo. I got bell pepper, and I got these oranges for $2.97. So that's all I got. I just wanted to share. Talk to y'all later. Bye.